Good morning, John Gilkison, Aero Stealth here, and I wanted to show you a little project we've been working on for the last 6 days, and that is wainscoting for our upstairs bathroom. What I did is I started in this corner here and applied these beadboard panels, and then after the beadboard panels got installed, this upper molding got installed right here, and as you can see down at the bottom there's a quarter round that finishes off it. And so the first wall I started in this corner here, and I went across here because it was the longest wall with the straightest run hole pieces, and then I had to pre-drill some holes to install the towel bar. Then I turned the corner, and this was kind of interesting because the upper molding has to stop right where this cabinet is, because this cabinet fits flush against the beadboard, so as you can see. And oops, I got a quarter round I need to install there, and I need to finish my quarter rounds in this corner over here. I've been so focused, you can imagine 6 days of work and I'm still not even done. And then we did this little corner here, and then this straight wall here, which is short, which goes behind this bookcase. And this was the most difficult part. So I started in this corner here and went over with a whole sheet up, butted against this sink. This vanity, which I could have taken loose and pulled it out, but I really didn't want to, and as it turned out, it wouldn't have simplified the job that much to do it. Because then you don't know exactly where it goes back. And I just wanted to go around it and dive in underneath it, behind it, in places where it mattered, like here and down in this corner here, right there. But other than that, this is the job. I think it makes the room look taller. I was discussing that with somebody, and I think it's the vertical stripes from the beadboard, the vertical beads. You can see them here. And the actual dimension of the boards is 39.5 inches. You can add another 1/2 inch for the top molding, and it's 5.5 inch for the baseboard. So you got 45.5 inches tall from the floor up to here, right there. So it was an interesting job. Maybe been better off if I'd gotten somebody who knew what they were doing, but it sure would have cost a lot more money than it. I think we probably have a couple $100 in the whole project, and 6 days of my labor. So not whole days, of course, but at my age, this kind of work begins to wear you out. Take care, everyone. I'm shooting this video so I can share it with friends and relatives, basically, and not be bothering them with photographs constantly. Okay, there you are. Bye-bye.